Alright, I got the push rod cover off because I did verify it was leaking. You can see all those leaks on the bottom. But inside doesn't look too bad. I mean, there's not any significant sludge or any kind of issues in there. I am going to be flushing the motor with liquid moly, I believe it is, the engine flush. Because, like I said, I changed the oil and it was like immediately black. And there's a ton of, deposits and all that nasty stuff on your finger when you checked it. So, just 10mm bolts. Pretty easy. Back there looks kind of dark too, like it was leaking. But, you'll see a new cork gasket here, and then the old one stuck on here is rock solid. You see it's kind of squeezed out right there, but it's really hard, so no doubt it was leaking through there. So I'll get that changed and then do that oil flush and change again, and then I'll report back on what I found.